Modern views of mummification often center on the spiritual, a sacred, bespoke ritual where priests carefully prepared a pharaoh for the afterlife through magic and prayer. But the physical ruins at Saqqara, an ancient burial ground serving the city of Memphis, reveal a different perspective. Deep beneath the surface, archaeologists recently navigated a narrow, vertical shaft descending 30 meters into the bedrock. The floor of this shaft opens into a sprawling, interconnected network of subterranean rooms carved out of the solid stone. This physical footprint suggests a facility designed for a high-volume, multi-stage operation rather than a single private burial. Moving through these dark corridors leads to the primary preparation area. The layout of these rooms dictates a specific workflow. Each chamber is sequenced to move a body through distinct physical stages of preparation. Excavators found hundreds of jars here, containing resins and frankincense. This fragrant tree resin was highly valued for its aromatic and preservative properties. Painted text provided the embalmers with a guide, matching specific chemical mixtures to the head, torso, or limbs. Every step in this subterranean space was a matter of precise, reproducible science, driven by earthly logistics. Beyond the workshop, the tunnels branch out into drastically different burial environments. Some were buried with elaborate masks, precious materials, and private chambers. These high-status burials involved hundreds of hours of labor, resulting in sarcophagi covered in intricate, custom-painted hieroglyphs. Other tunnels lead to cramped, shared caverns. In these spaces, dozens of bodies were placed together without precious metals or individual rooms. An archaeologist can track the social hierarchy by the precise point where the stone cutting becomes jagged and the painted symbols lose their detail. The Egyptian afterlife was a direct, tiered reflection of earthly wealth. Sustaining this level of preparation and burial required a massive economic footprint above ground. Chemical analysis of the resins found in the jars shows that many of these ingredients did not occur naturally in Egypt. This map shows the international trade networks required to source these specific substances, with materials flowing into Egypt from the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and deep into Africa. Maintaining this supply chain over generations required constant commerce and an immense investment of human labor. Eternity was a manufactured product, dependent on global trade and the physical output of the state. Returning to the surface of Saqqara, the scale of the monuments takes on a new context. These iconic pyramids and surface structures represent the top-line result of the massive industrial complex hidden beneath the courtyard. Reaching the afterlife was an elaborate luxury service, dictated by the same hierarchies that governed life. The ultimate key to an Egyptian eternity was a highly structured economic system built deep beneath the sands.